Yo, what's up? What's up, my people? Najua like you're wondering mbona mnaona simu mbele yenu. So apparently there's something that has just come to my attention like right now. Say if I feel inaenda vibaya. So I've just gotten a message like just about 10 minutes ago. Yeah, like look at this. When you see like this message, when you see a message like this, you're like, whoa, M-Pesa. But let me open. You say confirmed you have received like 2,530. Hadi they have sent the Yakutoa from Isaac Hassan on 13th 11 2021. New M-Pesa balance is locked. Pay bills, blah blah blah. But the way I knew this was a scam, even I knew it like directly, man. Kenya is full of scammers. The number at the top. No, see M-Pesa, not the M-Pesa that has sent me the message. It's a number. Then after they send you like a message like this, like they just want to look for if you're stupid enough to just fall for their tricks. So they call me. Let me hide these numbers actually, they are personal. They call me. I didn't pick because like I know if you pick there's some people who know like how to hack vizuri. Sijui akuulize sijui M-Pesa nini your pin, like you give them your personal details. If this number, okay, mwenye hata ataweza tu just find this number is into a scammer, but there's a way like you can report them. I guess it's 333. You just send the number, you just forward the number to 333. Yeah, I guess it's something like that. So my people, man, they don't fall for scammers. Yeah, because if you pick their calls, they ask you for your nini, you're going to be stolen from. And yeah, those are just not in your favor when you're not smart enough. And guys, thanks for, yeah, just wanted to share this educational content. Don't be scammed. Yeah, just avoid the scammers. And bye.